First, click here, follow this account, and boom, you just received money by using TikTok. If you are wasting your time by scrolling on TikTok just like me and you want to earn money, then you are at the right place, because in this video, I'm going to tell you a step-by-step guide that you can use to make money on TikTok. And don't worry if TikTok is banned in your country. Later on in this video, I'm also going to reveal a way to you that can help you access TikTok. So let's get started. Here we got this task, and we need to follow this user, and for this we will earn 0.41 coins. Okay, let's do it. Click here, after that just follow. Then go back to this website, and that's it. We have successfully completed the task, and the money automatically comes to the balance. This website is incredibly convenient because you can earn money from your Android, iPhone, or even your PC. If you're using a PC, click on Through Browser to complete the task, and if you're using a phone, simply click on Run. And on this website, you get paid for both following and liking. You also get 0.41 coins for each like. Those who watch this video till the end will learn how to earn on this website without any limit, even if tasks are over. So first, just register yourself using your email and password. Right after that, open Earn section, and here add your TikTok account from which you will perform tasks. Your account doesn't need to have massive followers or millions of views. You can use a newly created account, just like me. If don't know how to create a TikTok account, then follow my steps. First, open the TikTok website, click Login, then click Sign Up, and lastly, select Use Phone or Email option. Here, provide your phone number. If you don't have a phone number, you can use an email address to create a new account. And if you also don't have an email, then today I'll be sharing a website that can give you an infinite number of emails absolutely for free. If this website is not in English, just translate it using the translator in your browser. After that, you need to change some settings in your account. To do this, click on Setting and Privacy, and after that, Privacy. Here you need to modify it so everyone can see who you follow and which videos you like. This is important because this website need to verify if you have completed the task or not. To do it, just set the following list and liked videos to everyone. Now go back to the website and click on Add Account. Enter your TikTok ID and click on Find an Account. This website will then try to find your account. If it successfully locates your account, click on the Yes button. Now, just go to Earn section again. Get the first task. Click Through Browser. After that, click Follow. Go back to website, and that's it. We completed this task, and tasks like these are hundreds or even thousands, so you can earn as much as you want. And today I will try to find out how much money we can make on this website if we use it for a few hours, so make sure to watch the full video to find out. If TikTok is banned in your country, you can still access it by using VPN services such as NordVPN, ExpressVPN, TunnelBear, etc. However, please note that these services are paid. If you prefer a free VPN, then I recommend checking out ProtonVPN. Keep in mind that there is no limit on the number of tasks you can complete on this website. However, it's essential to remember that TikTok has daily limits on subscriptions and likes. If you violate them, it is likely that your account will be frozen for a period of 1 to 14 days. That means your earnings will stop. But there is an interesting solution for this problem. What we can do is when we reach the TikTok daily limit, we can switch to another account. In fact, you can add as many TikTok accounts on this platform as you want, and then you change them one after another without worrying about violating the limits. However, creating a TikTok account requires a phone number or email. This means that your email and phone numbers will quickly run out. Therefore, you can use the Temp Mail website, which provides unlimited email addresses that you can use to create TikTok accounts. By using this trick, you can create at least 10 or 20 accounts and use them to generate more and more money. After creating an account, just click Select Another Account. Copy the TikTok ID of your newly created account, then paste it here and hit Find Account. So that's it. Click Yes, and right now we just switch to our second account. And remember, when you switch to a different account, you might get tasks you've already done on your previous account. This means you can earn double payments for following to the same person. In fact, you could even earn 5 or 10 times the coins just like that. It's all depend on how much accounts you are going to use. Now, I'm going to use this website for a couple of hours and then show you how much I'll earn. So after using this website for 5 hours, I've already got 1,340 coins in my account. But here's the catch. I can't withdraw the money just yet. For the first 4 days, the earnings will be pending. During this time, you can't undo likes or unfollow from users you followed. So here's the plan. You can keep earning during this time and each day transfer the expected balance to your main balance. Or you can do nothing for 4 days and wait for the entire amount to move to the main balance. It's your choice. What are you going to do? Now let's calculate how much I've actually earned in real life. The 100 coins are equal to about 25 cents. So that means I earned $3.35 by watching TikTok videos. I know. It's not much, but it's enough money for simply watching TikTok videos. It's something we do every day without earning anything. Now, if you want me to share the payment proof after 4 days, then make sure to like this video. Once this video reaches 1,000 likes, I will share my payment proof. And there you have it, folks. folks. Earning money by watching TikTok videos is just a click away. Remember that. This method won't make you rich overnight. It's simply a good way to monetize your bad TikTok habit. But if you're looking for passive income and financial freedom, then check out this video where I'll show you how to earn money by watching Google Ads.